Hello, my name is David, and today I'm here in the R&D facility here at Airraid Filter Company. And today we're going to go ahead and take a look at our brand new MXP series cold air intake system for the 2011 5.0 liter Mustang GT. Come on over and let's take a look at what comes with this brand new MXP series cold air intake. We have a one-piece fully rotomolded complete air box, a modular intake tube with our MVT insert. This allows for proper air-fuel ratios and of course no tuning required. We offer both urethane and silicone couplers, 6-inch velocity stack, Airraid's 1300 CFM premium washable and reusable lifetime guaranteed air filter, our blade style weather strip, and a complete hardware pack with detailed step-by-step installation instructions and everything needed for a complete installation. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove the OEM intake system. Our first step is going to be removing the factory beauty cover. Pick up and it should snap right off. Just like that. Our next step in removing the OEM intake system is going to be to loosen the hose clamp at the throttle body. That is going to be removing the bolt on the factory airbox. Our next step will be removing the interior resonator, the crankcase vent, and our breather line. Our next step is removing the factory air box. Just going to grab the box and the tube and lift up. Now that our stock intake system is removed, let's go ahead and install our Airraid cold air intake system. I've already went ahead and installed our 6-inch velocity stack. Now let's put the box in the car. Our next step will be installing our silicone coupler on the throttle body. And just tighten it down. Our next step will be installing our urethane coupler on the cold air box. And simply tighten down. Our next step is going to be removing the factory mass airflow sensor out of the stock airbox. Here's the factory mass airflow sensor, and it's just going to slide in the provision in our Airraid intake tube. And I'll just reinstall our supplied button head bolts. Our next step is going to be installing our modular intake tube. Our next step will be reinstalling the interior resonator, crankcase vent, and the crankcase breather line. And then we want to reinstall our factory mass airflow sensor as well. Our next step will be installing our Airraid premium filter. And just tighten it down. Our next step will be installing our blade style weather strip. Our blade style weather strip is designed to seal and conform to the hood. So it's going to isolate this box from any of the underhood temperatures and heat. Our next step will be double checking all of the couplers, hose clamps, and all of our sensors to make sure everything's nice and snug. Our final step of the project today is going to be reinstalling our beauty cover, and this should just snap right down. Now let's see how this baby sounds. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure and follow us on the web at airraid.com and follow us on Facebook and become a fan.